In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to switch accounts on Fortnite Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Switching accounts on Fortnite Mobile is a very easy process. All that you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the app and that you can open it up and go to the lobby in order to access the settings. Inside of the app, to access the settings, tap the top left corner of the screen where you can find these little three lines. This will bring up the menu and all you have to do is go into the settings. As you can see, it is going to be the last option. Immediately upon tapping into the menu and then going into the settings, you will be able to browse through a bunch of categories at the top of the screen. What you have to do is go into the last category, also known as account and privacy. In there, you will have the option to log out, and as you might expect, in order to switch accounts on Fortnite Mobile, you have to log out of the currently signed into account, and this will give you access to the login prompt. So tap log out, confirm that you want to sign out of this account, and you will be thrown back into the home screen of the app. It will be like opening it up for the first time. So as you can see, you will get the Fortnite logo and the option to find a pre-existing account or create a new account. In here, all that you would have to do is sign into the specific account that you would like to switch into. As you might expect, as long as you still have the credentials of the previous account, you will be able to sign back at any time. You simply have to repeat these steps and you will be able to switch accounts back and forth on Fortnite Mobile. You can log into as many accounts as you wish as long as you can log out and then use the Yes, Find My Account option to sign into a pre-existing account every time. Just make sure that you note down the credentials for every account that you want to use and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to switch accounts on Fortnite Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.